dear children, welcome to your EVS class. Today we can learn lesson 8, soil and land. First we can learn about what is soil. Soil is derived from a Latin word solum, which means the upper crust of the earth. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth which is capable of supporting plant life. Soil contains humus, an organic matter which consists of dead plants and animals. Next, we can learn about the importance of soil. Soil provides us with water, nutrients and support crops, grassland, trees and also provide us with food, timber and fuel. Soil is a medium for purification of water by filtering it. It provides habitat for the decomposer organisms, thus play an important role in the cycling of carbon and other mineral nutrients. Let us learn about soil erosion and the major causes of soil erosion. What do you mean by soil erosion? Soil erosion means wearing away of the top soil or removal of the top fertile soil is known as soil erosion. We can learn about the causes of soil erosion. What are the causes of soil erosion? Following are the causes of soil erosion. They are rainfall and flooding, then improper farming practices, that is use of chemical fertilizers and improper farming leads to soil erosion, then overgrazing of animals, then logging and mining, then construction of buildings, then rivers and streams, the flow of rivers and streams, and also heavy winds which carry away the topsoil. These are the causes of soil erosion. What are the major effects of soil erosion? First one is loss of arable land. Soil erosion removes the top fertile layer of the soil. Topsoil is rich in essential nutrients, and the degraded soil does not support crop production and it leads to the low crop productivity. Another effect of soil erosion is clogging of water. The agricultural soil contains a lot of pesticides, insecticides, fertilizers and other chemicals. This pollutes water bodies where the soil flows. And these sediments accumulate in the water and raise the water level, which results in flooding. Next is desertification. Soil erosion is a major factor for desertification. It transforms the habitable regions into deserts. Next factor which affects the soil erosion is destruction of infrastructure. The accumulation of soil sediments in dams and along the banks can reduce their efficiency. It affects the infrastructural projects like dams, embankments and drainage. Next, we can learn about the prevention of soil erosion. How can we prevent soil erosion or the methods of preventing soil erosion? First one is afforestation. Afforestation means planting of trees. Forests reduce erosion as the roots hold the soil. Another way of preventing soil erosion is constructing shelter beds. That is, trees are planted in lines or hedges around farmlands, which reduces soil erosion by reducing the speed of the wind. Terrace farming is an important method of preventing soil erosion. A terraced hillside is less eroded than a natural hillside. Next is soil cover. Soil which is left bare, harvested, a crop is often covered with a dried vegetation, helps to prevent soil erosion. Next, preventing overgrazing of animals. The grass can bind the soil. If the grass is overgrazed by the animals, it exposes the soil to erosion. Today we can wind up our class. Thank you children. Have a nice day.